Welcome to this quick tutorial on creating a dynamic QR code using qrstuff.com, a powerful yet simple platform for all your QR code needs. Dynamic QR codes let you change the destination or content after printing and provide valuable scan tracking. To access the dynamic features, start by logging into your account dashboard at dashboard.qrstuff.com. Once logged in, click the Create QR Code button on the top right. Then select URL under the Data Type section. Make sure to keep the toggles at the bottom on for a dynamic QR code. Next, under the Content section, simply enter the website address or URL you want your QR code to link to. Now let's make it branded. Click the Style tab. Here you can personalize the code's appearance by adjusting its shape, setting custom colors and gradients for the modules and corner eyes. You can even upload your company logo or a center text overlay. You can also set a background and foreground image for added visual flair. Next, move to the Setup tab to configure the advanced tracking and management settings. Give your QR code a clear name, set the desired DPI or resolution for high-quality printing, and enable features like password protection, Slack notifications for new scans, pixel settings, pause functionality, and scan limits. Click the Download button to save finished dynamic QR code image in your preferred format. And that's how easy it is to create a powerful dynamic QR code using qrstuff.com. Start tracking, editing, and optimizing your campaigns today